Hey, how you doing, Garage Door Mike? Today we're going to show you a 2583. This is the CHI stamped shaker with Madison smoked or tinted windows. And let me tell you guys something right now. It's like 95 plus degrees out. It is so stinking hot, and I will tell you this, I can guarantee you this. That tinted window cuts down the heat in that garage big time. So if you're wondering if that matters or not, it does. It's stinking hot. That sun is just baking us out here. And we were actually going to leave the top section up for the different installation. On these hot days, we let the top section off for a while to get some air in there, and we voted to not do that. And I'm glad we voted not to do that, because that top window with that smoke tinted window helps cut down the heat big time. We got two fans in there. I'm in the shade right now doing the video. There it is. Stamp shaker. I love this design. We don't do a lot of these. I'm going to try and start pushing them a little more. They make these in the accents as well. All the colors, black, almond, sandstone, desert tan, all the accent models, the walnut, the cedar. Beautiful looking door. It's like a little mini recessed panel door. This one, the springs are balanced absolutely perfect, so thank you CHI for that. Show you a little bit close up here. Wood grain, we did cap the opening with our nice wrap here, so they're maintenance free now. 7 foot high, and don't worry, we'll get all the paw prints off. This is the tinted windows. Madison looks, I think it goes perfect with this, with the 4 recessed panels and the 4 Madison. They picked a home run here on this. This looks absolutely great on this house. Looks really, really good. I'm gonna lift up the door here. Coming up. All right, lift this up. It goes up with one hand basically, beautifully. I'm gonna lower it down. Lift handle here in the middle, all 14 gauge hardware. 2 struts on this one today. You can see this is balance is perfect with the top glass. Look at that, just stays right put, right where you want it. 11 ball nylon wheel, and then of course we put our 13 ball zinc wheel up top. And you can tell that this is not really the clear glass, because you can see it's a lot more tinted in this garage. And believe me, with the fans going, it feels wonderful in here compared to outside. It's just very hot and humid today, and this tinted windows do awesome. It's the Madison. This is the look on the tinted. I got another video with tinted windows. Show you how that goes. Of course, you get your 35,000 plus cycle springs. We do 15-inch hooks. Bend out the vertical track to meet the horizontal, so the bottom rollers and all the rest of the nylon wheels don't catch there. And then on this side, I got 2 7/16s, 2 in there, and then partner here did the other side with a 1/2 inch. So minimum we always put a 1/2 inch, and if we don't, we put in 2 7/16s on the other side. Getting the wiring done for the operator. It's going to be complemented with an LDC. Where's it at? There it is. 0800. Dun, 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 dun. That'll be great. This will be a lights out installation. Will be great. That's it. Got the door installed, 2 inches thick, polystyrene insulated. Here we go, 2 fingers. Look at that. This floats up. I'm gonna close her down. This is not a pinch resistant door, so don't stick your fingers in there. And yes, we'll clean up all the paw prints. For all your garage door needs, call Innovative Garage Door, Stamp Shaker, CHI. Any doors you want, we get you. This is a beautiful installation. 630-271-9343, www.innovativedoor.com. Like us on Facebook, and we'll like you. Thank you for watching our CHI 2583 Stamp Shaker Garage Door video, and as always, I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our video. Drop a comment, drop a like, drop a question. We'll help you out any way we can. Thank you. And on days like today, stay hydrated and get some air conditioning and bless you. We'll talk to you guys later. Thanks for watching our video.